Welcome to Kente TV. My name is Benedict, aka Karanaza, and I am your host for this segment, Street Vox, where we get the honest takes and opinions of the people of Ghana on trendy issues and topics. But before we get into it, I want you, yes you, watching me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and please comment. Let's get into it. On today's episode, we'll be asking the people, should a man still be the sole provider at home, or it should be 50-50? Let's get interactive. Question of the day, do you think a man should still be the sole provider at home, or it should be 50-50?
Well, my opinion about this is that in every institution, the type of leadership depends on the head. So with this, I think the primary responsibility is on the man. Usually it has to be 50-50, but everything depends on the leader. And even the Bible describes the man as the head of the family. So as the head of the family, you'd have to take full responsibility. If not full, majority parts of the responsibilities in the house. So I think that the man should take responsibilities.
So you think the woman has no responsibility at all, financially and security-wise? The woman doesn't have any responsibility?
The woman has a responsibility. She's a helper. You get it? Yeah, her responsibility is to help, but her sole responsibility is not to be the main provider. Yeah, so the man is to be the provider and the woman is the helper.
So on your take, would you say 70-30, 100-0, or 80-20, or what would you say?
I think it's 70-30, yeah, 70-30ish, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, personally, I feel the man should try to support the home, but the lady can assist, but not putting too much pressure on the lady. That's my thinking.
Not putting too much pressure on the lady.
Lady can get support, fine, but not make it that it is her responsibility to provide maybe 50%, 20%. No, anything he gets to support home, fine, but the man should try all he can to support the home.
Basically, the man should still be the sole provider, but if the lady can help,
fine. Then the man should.
So our father is telling us that we are still the old times is still the best. That a man should still be the sole provider.
Not that. But if the lady has a means, the wife has a means of supporting her, fine.
Okay.
But not putting too much pressure or stress on the lady to also provide. That's all. That's my thinking.
The man should be a provider, but then a woman too should help him. That's why God said, we will be your helper. But then it shouldn't be like a solely 50-50 thing. But I know a responsible man will just be like, yes, I'm the man, I'm to provide. And a reasonable wife will support the husband. So that is what I think.
So a responsible man will say, I have to provide, and a reasonable
woman will support.
So what if the husband doesn't want you to put anything on the table? Like, no, I'm the man, I'm the head of the family.
There are guys like that, but then you as a woman too have to have your own way of supporting your husband. Even if he's willing to like put 100% on himself. But then men go through a lot of stress nowadays. Yeah. So maybe to your face, he will be like, don't support, but deep down, Charlie or but you being reasonable, you have to at least support. But it shouldn't be 50-50. Right. No.
So what are some of the things you can do to support? Like some of the mini things so the girls out there can learn?
Oh, for example, maybe you want to embark on a project or something. The man can't really say, yeah, baby, we are going to rent or we are going to build, so support me with this percentage. Yeah. But then he'll be like, we are starting this project, so probably I have saved up to this amount, so we will start this. So you've been reasonable. So, oh, then me too, I can support you with this amount. Or then maybe I need just yes. So at least embarking on the project or maybe paying bills and school fees. What teams like this month now what children on can't shop, but then you could see from his action. You can just surprise him like. So the account is Kabitun account team.
Yeah, I love him, pa. I like that.
Support them, man, because nowadays most of them are going under stress and all those things.
Support the men. If you can hear me, support the men. Bosu, your friend Ben also.
Oh, me friend me father, me kase fra chimoto overhead, senior man.
Watch Raja, no, okay. Question of the day. Ebisa say any biaba. Any biaba. Into washa. Beman Kwan, still na Beman Kwan was say fee. Or no provide all this come fee, and I say, I was so bass to me boy.
Oh, I never man kwan what we should feel. There be media me the or bet me boab to me should feel my like ebusia will be also any timiji. And never man kwan what we should feel. One,
See Beman head of the family.
oh, cast a beman, we almost a beman head of the family. We be a dental and beman will be a or shefia or shebia, my dental be a no man ten. This is a face. It will be urbanos, dental urbanos, or you want to sora. Which me boy feel my said the bear beman's with my sorry and also was a bit take you over. But a beman kwa, cast a beman kwa, and a beshefia baby be a. Me no nya adwene Debbie senior man me no nya adwene
to abanu so ka say o na I head of the family who na was say wo hwe me wo na obe ware me nti wo na was say wo make sure say bibia wo fie on nti me fa hwe ma o enso be ka de
ene say say oba no nya na adwene say opa wale bia wale enti wo be ma no hwe na wontimi a na de na koma na busua for fast say de be ya wo benyu asomdue wo me yes a be di wi achi be ye ho kina ko wa be wu agya nkora no wono mo na wo koya na say wo ba anya wadwe menye sakura be makura de menye sa me de me madwe no oba no so timi hwe bi ma bebusuan obi ani chie be busuan nim nya bibia se be manko ada bi be manko ntimi kukuru ni nyina nso ada bi wo yesa be makura wo kura wutimi wu ntem no wagya nkora ne ketengete e ba sa wo nkora na wo ha wo life me de me madwe no senior man
oh se a street no so aye won won se street na aye hye and as say young boys ayaba no oba wo be fa no atufie de bia na wo firi no se biga frat se akoko ona wo be kwa aba na wo be man chop money no atufie e bia wo hwe moving kwa yes ama no se yempe o never ye pe oba uye o e bia uye bi so rounds kakra me so me ye media kakra se ye ba ye na ya ba fie ya be ka bom na ye di na ya ye bibia nice se akwala na e ba ye ntemu a e bia uye bibia so one day mantimi ama akwala chop money a also be den obe yina wa ama akwala no ba se wan ga sa oba betena me so wonya hwede abe ma ye be ghost to sesia ye be ghost no
be dwani straight ye be sa de no ho no aha
sit no say ya show bibia ye hot and this oba no or the 10 ba na be ma na also the 10 aba na ye 20 na mo kom anim kawai asa oba betena me wona no lie
right now the way I never con there was saying balancing. Yeah. We the kakraba no see the kakraba na dey abom na come on. They are supportive fee. Na be moving on. They say I me can no hear me support. Now one for them by I better than akwenim because the name of my ID.
But they say you be the head of the family. You be the head.
I know that I be the head of the family, but the way in a situation to say I know. Oba na kasa betina say who say be man so here supportive. I also support each other so that we will build the family together.
What about woman when they say no, not be me, you can't marry me, or you can't take me say if like I make her be your woman. So as I be a woman, if I take care of me, if I take care of the family, if I take care of everything, why I make her provide?
Yeah, that one day is true, mum. It's true. But Oba maybe or don't think our kofano. Then when the ukun woman are fine. But Oba also who say no, me kuno also force it. So me force it. Yes. So no I say I relax it. Now so I also I relax it. One a movie family together and I want a movie family. Yeah, until I say mummy no nyina and then boom na movie family together.
So these were the opinions of the people on the street. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. Please take time to comment because your opinions really matters. We want your opinions in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the notification button, like, and like I said, comment. Until next time.